trippy travelers on a that big quest through lands of rhythm. Well, music never rests. In Central America, we'll find our beat. South America's calling with dances so sweet. Feel the heat, feel the light. We're dancing tonight from beaches to the streets. Trippy travelers take them back.
Wow, we just woke up and look at the view here from our little balcony.
We're two trippy travelers on a that big quest through lands of rhythm. Well, music never rests.
Yeah.
All right, good morning, guys. Now we are on day 4 in our travels here in beautiful Ecuador, and we just arrived in Tena yesterday evening. And yeah, we thought we just wanted to be really open-minded and honest and share some of those conversations we have, especially because the vlogging live is really new to both of us. And I can feel I have a hard time figuring out why we are doing this, and also if anyone really wants to follow and why they want to follow, and what makes
value, right?
Yeah, what makes this what makes this really interesting for you guys, and it would be really nice to hear from you guys. What do you think? What would you like to know more about? Is there anything we do really well? Anything we can do better?
Yeah, send it in a private message, because this way, if we have no comments, then it won't look like that nobody answered us, because maybe everybody sent it in a private message, you know?
Yeah. Me personally, I've never seen a vlog in my life, so I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what I've signed up for. So yeah, please help us. Chris, honey, where are we going?
So right now we're going to Misahuallí. What is it called?
Misahuallí. So it's with 2 L's, Misahuallí, but the 2 L's in Spanish is yi, right? Yi?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So we're going to this place. It's in the outskirts of the Amazon. I mean, this whole area is actually. And instead of booking a boat trip, we're just gonna go down and find some kind of local dude with a boat and see if he can sail us up the stream. Look at the monkey, look at those breasts, man. Wow, oh my god.
Found some really cute animals today. We're going to the monkey island, but right before we even took the boat, there's a lot of monkeys living right here, up in the trees. But apparently they don't get enough nutrition. So there's one guy here that's feeding them and makes sure they're fine. So that's really nice. I'm not sure what kind of species this monkey is, but I can see there's a sign over there saying something about them. So maybe we can catch up on that one later.
Okay, so we just, this guy, he was following us since we arrived, and we ended up talking to him, and first he wanted 120, and then we negotiated to get an extra, like a couple of extra stops and only pay 80. We're probably still overpaying compared to maybe like local people, but
we are happy and he's happy.
Yeah, $40 per person for like a maybe 5-hour trip in the jungle.
And look, try to turn the camera around and see this.
Okay, so what we're seeing here is a group of people who are using a pump to pump gold and to filter it. And apparently one of these pumps cost... what? He just gave us the fuck finger thing. But yeah, apparently one of these pumps costs $5,000 to buy. But once you have the pump, you can get 8 to 10 grams of gold per day. And each gram of gold goes for $70. So I just asked him if there are some dangerous fish here in the river. He said one of them is called Tena, where it literally goes on your skin and just starts eating your meat without you feeling it. Then you just look at your skin and it's all ripped up and bleeding.
Awful. And then there is the other fish that I actually heard about before, but I wasn't sure if it it was only on men or women that it went up in your urine hole.
Yeah.
So apparently it's only the men, and it's only if you pee in the water. And then the fish will swim up in your little pee hole and fucking eat your dick alive.
Oh, yeah, well, I don't know. We gotta fact check that one as well.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
So don't go swim in the water here in the Amazonas.
No
It's
peeing.
not worth it. And no peeing.
Nice. Ah, sí, 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 sí. Un
ruido.
muy, yeah, hills.
Oh, wow, my God.
That look,
Ahí han mudado muchas y han dejado su piel ahí.
Sí.
También tu...
Is that what they use for
Tenemos
No?
hacer un poco
for
de...
the Lism here, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
this
Yeah.
warrior.
Nice.
Det skal ikke have, den skal have den på.
Yeah. Para hacer presión con el...
Exacto.
Okay.
¿En serio?
First try.
De caimán enano.
Planning to release in this year or in the coming year. Good spot. And who said that he found in streets of Tena, but we don't really there. It's
Yeah.
an Arazari toucan. It's a very small species of
Yeah,
toucan.
it's oh yeah, no, it's definitely not.
It's really like some of them. And oh yeah, he's
Oh, he's
had no access to water, which is very bad. This is crazy. At the beginning, I always thought like, but there's like a weird law.
So he's used to. All right, look at this. This is all sweat. We're now in the jungle and it is so freaking hot. And what did we just do, honey?
We were here. It's basically a place, a sanctuary for animals, where animals that were found in the jungle where they were hurt, or maybe people that found it somewhere, or even people who kind of bought an animal illegally and then at some point decided they want to get rid of it.
No.
Vivo o muerto.
Oh my God.
Vamos a subirlo
Yeah,
a
I did. I know. Did you?
Yeah.
Sloths?
Sloths.
Oh my God. He can't swim.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Ay, amigo, descansa ahí, amigo.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Cúrrete.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Ok.
God.
Wow.
Yeah, I took part in swimming. Hey, buddy.
Oh.
Wow. Oh my God, they just found a sloth that was in the water and cannot
And it's
believe this.
literally my favorite animal. Look, look. This is unbelievable. I don't know how many times I've told Chris that I love sloths, and it's literally my favorite animal in South America. And now we are on the way back in the boat. We see something in the water. We have no idea what it is. And we just rescued a sloth from drowning. And I have no words to describe how I'm feeling right now in this moment. This is magical.
Ja, dit ben veel safari mensen hier.
Pala, aquí.
Hola.
Hola.
Yeah.
Ahí, ahí, bueno. Ahí, súbete, papu. Súbete ahí. Ahí le coge la izquierda. Llévalo, llévalo para allá. Ah, ya, ahora sí, allá coja, no me coja. Pero como todo coja, como todo así. Así, otro tan, bote espalda. Nos vamos a...
Hasta luego. Wow. 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 Crazy. Wow.
My two trapeze travelers on a that request to lands of rhythm. Well, music never rests in Central America. We'll find out.
Yeah, we just entered this restaurant, waiting for some food to come to arrive. There's no electricity in the city right now. They're like fixing the cables right now, and I think the restaurant nearby has electricity because everybody's gathering together to watch a soccer game. Wow. Okay, so after coming home, we took a shower, had a nap, and now we're on our way to check out the nightlife in Tena. Yeah, true. Nice. Haha. Look at this goes. Nice.
This is the other one. It's made.
This is a jungle sawa. Is it good? Oh, so Kuru always has
About
a warm.
tequila or about. If you like pina colada. Yeah.
Oh.
Ya de una yo. Yo sabía así como que. No, sí.
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Chicos, me voy a dormir.
No. Hey.
Fuck you, gringo, dude!
Yeah, that's what happens, right? Yeah. It's
Gringo, no! Se va a la casa. Chris,
¿Dónde vas?
no,
Oh. No.
Chicos, me desperté a las 5:30. Estoy muerto. Estoy muerto.
Jumpy, come on.
Ya voy a perrear con el lazón.
Amazing. Okay, what's happening now is that we've taken a taxi in a pickup truck where there's like unlimited space. It makes it that it's very cheap to take a ride somewhere, and we're going to the town's best disco. ¿Por qué?